Isa sa mga realization ko ngayon is amazingly yung mga taong hindi ko ganun naiintindihan dati is yun yung mga taong I am grateful for their existence. Kasi biruin mo yun, out of all people na I can depend on. Pero I don't depend on anybody ha. Siguro meron akong attachment towards them pero hindi ako yung nagde-depend to anyone except to my parents and my siblings ganyan. More like parang I am attached to those persons because nakikita ko silang amazing people, ganun. So, yun na nga. Those persons or those people, hindi ko sila ganun ka-vibes dati because of certain behavior, characteristic, o kaya naman beliefs in life na against sa akin. Until now naman. Pero, yun nga, amazingly. Kasi, nowadays, I found comfort and security to them, with them. Whenever I'm with them, parang na-feel ko na, okay, go lang. Humilata ka lang dyan or whatever. And then, nakakatuwa kasi, hindi mo kailangan isipin kung ano yung iniisip nila towards you. You can be like comfortable doing whatever you want in life. And nakakatuwa na sa mga tao mo pang sa mga taong hindi mo inaasahan yun, mafe-feel. And Lord, anong ano yun? Anong klaseng feeling yun? And assurance na those people can give you peace. Wala lang, share ko lang.